Now, I don't know about you, but if you're anything like me, you're not trying to blow your daily allotment of carbs on the first meal during the day. So let's prepare a meal that will definitely not spike your insulin and make you feel good throughout the rest of your day. First things first, let's start by gathering the ingredients. We're going to need a bunch of Brussels sprouts chopped in half, at least 12 ounces of bacon, 1 egg. After all, I'm trying to watch my cholesterol. We're going to need some salt and pepper. Let's get that griddle top heated up to around 400 degrees Fahrenheit and start to lay down some bacon. This bacon's going to cook for about 4 minutes, then I'm going to flip it, cook it for about 2 or 3 more minutes, depending on how it looks. While it's cooking, I'm going to throw all these Brussels sprouts down at the bottom of the griddle and let them cook in that bacon fat. Now notice how, unlike my other videos, I have the bottom of the griddle pointed towards the end of my patio. This way, instead of all the bacon fat going into the grease trap, it's going to sit at the bottom in these Brussels sprouts. It's been about 7 minutes and this bacon looks pretty good. Time to pull it. I'm going to move these Brussels sprouts a little bit more directly into the heat. We're going to let them cook for another 4 minutes. Alright, the left burner is turned off. I'm going to move these Brussels sprouts over there and just kind of keep them warm while I fry up this greasy egg.